गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा। उत्तर गोवा जिल्हा रस्ता सुरक्षा समितीची मंगळवारी उत्तर गोवा कार्यालयामध्ये बैठक झाली। अतिरिक्त जिल्हाधिकारी गोपाळ पारसेकरांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाली ही बैठक संपन्न झाली। या बैठकीमध्ये राज्यातील वेगवेगळ्या रस्ता समस्यांवरती उपाय काढण्यासाठी देखरेख विभाग स्थापन करण्यात आलाय।
I had a road safety committee meeting over here in collector office, and it was discussed widely. This meeting was taken by our additional DM Shri Gopal Naik, and other members were also present from our transport, then Shri Roland Martin, health, and Panchayat and all of them. Here it was discussed what are the problems being faced by the general public and motorists. So these major issues were discussed. Major issues were pointed out by Mr. Roland Martins, and Deputy Collector has assured that he is going to look into the matter and give direction to the concern. And this again, after every 15 days, we hold this meeting and we see follow up what matters have been corrected or not, and what needs to be done. So it is a continuous process. Major thing was decided about road marking, road painting, and correction of the speed breakers. And this will be carried out in near coming days, and people will get some relief, and it will be beneficial for the motorists also. Thank you. Yeah. Today meeting was chaired by our additional collector Shri Gopal Naik. Yeah, it was discussed, and highways issue were discussed, wherein there are around 24 black spots. So these black spots also will be reduced.
So today the North Goa District Road Safety Committee held its meeting. Normally this meeting is to be chaired by the Honorable Member of Parliament, but since he is injured in the accident, Mr. Sripad Naik, he is unable to chair the meeting. It was chaired by Additional Collector 1, Shri Gopal Parsekar. The key points in today's meeting is now the committee has appointed a monitoring cell, 6-member monitoring cell, which will pursue all the pending matters by meeting every month. As you know, this committee which meets, it is meeting quarterly and submitting its report to the Supreme Court monitored Road Safety Committee at Delhi. Now, since there are many matters pending and requires the coordination of different departments, the monitoring cell has been appointed, which will be chaired by Device Speed Traffic, and the member secretary is the Assistant Director Enforcement from Transport Department. Now, a lot of the pending issues will be taken up by the monitoring cell. Then also the issue of carrying poles outside the truck. This is not permitted now. Supreme Court has already passed the order. So, if you are carrying any poles like electric department or any PWD, WRD, they have to use a special transporting vehicle. You cannot tie a red cloth anymore. So that is not permitted now.